Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my quarterly planning in my Hobonichi Cousin. Alright, so for those that are new here, I have a shop on Etsy called Bolderbon. I specialize in stickers, stationery, and craft supplies. So I thought I would give you a glimpse on how I am going to be setting up my quarterly planning for 2022. Now I am using the Hobonichi Cousin to do my quarterly planning. This is the yearly index pages. I have already put down a few stickers in here. So these are the top stickers, which is the yearly view stickers, and then the new additions that I just included in the shop are the index strips. So it has the dates on the index on the left hand side with the days of the week. Now I'm really excited about these new additions to the yearly view because underneath you can see the number of the day. However, they're Japanese characters for the actual days of the week, and I tended to not utilize these pages in the last couple of years because I couldn't actually see the days of the week. So I'm really excited about this new addition. Now this is the first time that I'm doing quarterly planning for my shop, so I am so excited to share that with you. I have a feeling that for 2022 I'm going to get a lot more accomplished. Now in the past I did use my monthly section to kind of plan out what I wanted to do for the month, but I never really had a plan really. I would just write in the YouTube videos that I would like to accomplish, when my sticker subscriptions were going to be shipped out, any of the holidays for the month, birthdays, things like that. But I really didn't have a plan on what I wanted to accomplish with my shop. In my daily and weekly sections, I have more of an idea here where I write in the first task that I need to accomplish for the day. So for like Monday, I had orders that I needed to do all that day, and then little things that I did throughout the day I write in as well. But usually I just have one top task for the day, and then I also like to document what happens for the rest of the day. However, I think that having a quarterly plan is going to help get me more on track with what I need to accomplish for the whole year. Now, like I said, I've already put down my main stickers in the index pages here. So the larger index boxes up top with the long strips. Now there are two different versions of these stickers. It does have the large box for mine here. However, you can get it with just the header up top and not the big box here. And then it just would have the little graph lines up top so you can write in there. I decided to go with the larger boxes. I'm actually going to use them for my top 3 new releases of the month, or my top 3 products, my top 3 projects of the month, things like that. So I have already written down what I want to release for the month of January. So I have already released our clear stickers here. I'm actually using the little hearts on the side here, and I am going to be focusing on putting out more of our clear stickers. So these are actually brand new in the shop. They're frosted clear stickers. I did have just clear glossy stickers in the shop. However, I am so in love with the frosted version here. I absolutely love them, and you guys can see they have so much pigment on them still. So I love this new addition. So I'm actually just using them to mark my top 3 tasks of the month. So for January, I'm going to be focusing on putting out more of the clear frosted stickers. I'm also going to be working on all of our script stickers. Now there are a couple script stickers that I have in the shop already. However, I'm going to be putting out a whole new line of script stickers. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you guys were looking for script stickers, let me know down below and I will be sure to add them to the shop in January. I also plan on putting out new divider labels for our sticker albums, also for planners as well. So this is a look at my sticker album. It has activities, animals, beauty, birthdays, cooking. I mean, there are so many of them. However, I have gotten a couple of requests for certain ones, so I thought I would come out with a version 2 of the sticker album labels, and then also a version 2 of the planner divider labels. I will probably put out a printed version as well. Since this one is a fun script version, I thought it would be nice to give you an option of having the script or a print version as well. So those are going to be my top 3 things that I'm going to be working on for January. And then down below, I am going to be writing in what I did for the day or what I accomplished for the day. So that way I can get an idea of what I'm spending my most time on. So for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I typically do orders. Now that can happen all day long. And if that's the case, I'm also going to be writing in when I started my orders and then what time I have finished. Now, if I did do orders and it was only for a couple hours and then I started designing, I'll just write in orders and then /design. So that way I know that I didn't work on orders all day long, but I also did something else that day. And then of course, if I have a day off, I will write the day off. Now, before I actually decided on doing that, I had already written in all of my friends and family's birthdays in here, which I have done for the last couple of years when I used the Hobonichi Cousin Planner, and I really liked having it here. However, I'm just going to be moving these over to my wall calendar. That way I'll actually see all of that information there, and then I think I will either white this out or just cover it up with sticker paper. That way I know exactly what I focused on for that day. So down below here, I'm actually going to be keeping track of projects for the month. So up top, these are going to be the 3 main products, new releases, or maybe the main project that I want to accomplish for the month. So those are going to be my top 3. These are going to be all of the extra things that I would like to accomplish as well. So I've already filled in a bunch of projects for January and then a couple for February and March. Now I could probably add all of these for the end of the year because each month we come out with a new collection, and then I also put out a newsletter letting everybody know that the new collection is live. Sometimes we do newsletters whenever we have any sales and stuff like that as well. So if you are not signed up to our newsletter, I definitely would recommend that. I will leave a link to that down below. I've also written in a bunch of other projects that I want to get done. Now, I have a feeling that these are not going to get all accomplished in January. However, I thought that that would be the best way to do it, is to write in everything already that I know I want to or need to get done. And then if it doesn't get done, I will just write in a little arrow that says that I migrated it over into February or March. That way I'm not splitting up all of these tasks into its own month. So if I can get all of these things accomplished in January, great. And then I will have more tasks and more projects for February. But if I can't finish them, I will just write in a little arrow and migrate them over into the next month. And hopefully I can get all of these done for the quarter. So that is a little glimpse of my quarterly planning process. Now, because this is the first time I've quarterly planned, I thought it would be fun to come back at the end of March and give you guys a little update on how it went and what I plan on doing differently for April, May, and June. If you guys want to see that video, definitely let me know down below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!